What food helps protect the liver? Leafy greens. Which drink is good for kidney health? Water. What food helps keep the heart strong? Oats. Which vitamin keeps your eyes healthy? Vitamin A. Which food is best for glowing skin? Avocado. What food helps hair grow faster? Eggs. Which fruit supports good eyesight? Blueberries. What nutrient helps nails stay strong? Biotin. What habit keeps the lungs clean? Regular exercise. What food gives a lot of iron? Red meat. What drink helps you sleep better? Warm milk. What fruit helps keep your eyes sharp? Orange. Which drink makes bones stronger? Milk. Which vitamin is good for brain function? Vitamin B6. Which fruit helps digestion? Papaya. Which drink helps reduce body swelling? Lemon water. What tool is used to measure blood pressure? Sphygmomanometer. What organ controls blood sugar? Pancreas. What organ helps control body temperature? Skin. What food is high in fiber? Beans. What organ pumps blood in the body? Heart. What organ releases urine from the body? Urethra. What organ filters waste from the blood? Kidneys. What organ removes toxins from the body? Liver. Which organ stores bile? Gallbladder. What organ controls the body's metabolism? Thyroid gland. What organ helps fight infections? Spleen. What organ absorbs water from food? Large intestine. What organ stores solid waste? Rectum. What organ helps you breathe? Lungs.
How many questions did you get right? Tell us your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Keep your brain active and check out our next quiz video right now.